Assalamu alaikum and good morning again to all of my students and whoever is watching this video. We are again in front of each other, and now this time we are going to do something which is fun and colorful because we are in our arts class. Yes. So in our arts class today, we are going to do an animal, and that is an amphibian, which we will be doing this week. So I thought of making that animal, right? So I thought, why not to make something different? Remember we drew a frog, a green frog. Remember? Yeah, that was very, very cute. I really like that. So this time also I am doing a frog, but this will be a little different, a little more fun to do with. Okay, so just going to start with. For that, we will be needing, I have taken these two colors, these two shades of greens, which I'll be playing with, working with, and we're going to have fun, right? So as we will be needing a glue, we will be needing pair of scissors, right? And we will be needing, yes, we will only be needing this. And yes, a little of white paper and a little of black even, right? So we are just going to start by playing with all these papers. As I told you before, I don't waste the paper. So I already had this, the cuttings of the paper. So I used those rather than using the new one. So as I tell you always, that paper is made up of wood, and people cut much of trees to make paper. So it's better not to waste the paper. Please keep that in mind, that we are not going to waste the paper. Okay, so we are just going to start and just putting them away, because I have already I have cut a couple of things which I'll be using. So I'm just going to show you what we'll be using now. I hope you can see my screen. So I'm just going to show you now what I have cut already. So how will you be using? I have cut these two long strips. I have then I have these little short triangles, rectangles. These are the long rectangles, this is the short rectangles. Then along with that, we will be needing a circle, a big circle, and we will be needing a small circle, right? I hope this is all clear to you, right? And then I have cut some of these. So I'll show you where am I going to put them. And then, yes, as I told you, that we will be needing white paper. So I have cut it into a round shape. And then I have another, which I have cut in round shape like this. So we have two small rectangles, two long rectangles. Then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles. And then these 4 are the different shapes which we'll be using for the paws of the frog, right? So we are just going to start. We will just put them away right now. Put them away because we'll be needing them later. So we will use them later, okay? So, okay, that's great. So right now we will be needing these two, right? This will be the body of the frog and this will be the head of the frog. So we are just going to put them like this, right? Okay, so we need so we are just going to put a little of gum over here, not much, a little of gum, and we will just stick it over here. Okay, see, this is the body and the head of the frog. Okay, now put it aside. And now we're going to take this. These are the legs, okay? So we're going to put them parallel like this. So they'll have the exact zigzag lines. We are going to make it in a zigzag shape, right? So let's see, I'm going to show you how does this zigzag shape will look like. You just fold it into this, then again fold it like this, and again fold it like this. And now we have got the lines, okay? We have got the lines we have, which will be making the zigzag. So we will just folding it like this. This is the line number 1. And we are folding it to the line number 2. In the middle of this. And then line number 2 is this. Okay. So we will be folding this like this. Okay. So we are going to have a zigzag pattern like this. This. Okay. So I'm just going to show you at the end, how does this look like? This. Okay. Like this. And like this. Okay. Now see, you've got this zigzag pattern, right? So we will do the next in the same way, like this. This. Like this. Like this. Like this. Okay. Yes. This seems now very easy for us to fold to make this zigzag pattern. Okay. So they will, both the legs will be almost the same size, same zigzag pattern, almost not identical, but that's will be the same. And then we're going to use them in the same way, like this and like this. Okay. And then yeah, this way and this way. Yeah, zig, zag, zig, zag, and zig. Okay, now we have this. To make another one, another zigzag. Yeah. Like this. So you only use, you only need an elder so that they can help you in cutting. So you see, we have now these 4 legs, zigzag legs ready, and then we are going to paste them with the paws. Okay, now we will be needing again this gum. So we are putting the gum over here. Okay, yes. And we are sticking the paw with this. Okay, wow. How, look at this. Just like this. Wow, the frog is jumping, right? So we're going to make it like this. Okay, sorry. Another one. We're going to put the glue over here and then paste another paw. Yay, wow. Then these bigger ones. Okay, so we will put the glue over here. And now, third paw, we've stick. Wow, that's great. Okay, so, and the last one is left. The fourth paw we are going to stick. Now, the 4th leg is also ready. Okay, see, we've got two hands ready and two legs ready. Okay, and we are going to stick it. Now, where should the hands go? Up here, right? Yes, we're going to stick the hands over here like this, something like this. Okay, something like this. Over here, something like this. Okay, so we're going to paste the hands over here. Okay, so hands are stick like this. Okay, that's great. Now another hand we're going to stick over here. We'll put the glue here. Now a frog is getting ready to go into the pond. Yay, ta-da. Okay, yay. What about this? Okay, now it's time to stick the legs. And now we are going to stick the legs. Hey, over here. Yay, that's great. That is great. So the other one, we're going to stick over here. Oops. Okay. Okay. Now this one is also, wow, that is great. There's something missing in the frog. What is missing? Yes. You should have to see where it's going. Really? Yes, you need to see. Okay, you have to give him something to see. Now we will give him the eyes. Okay. The other thing, the other one. Okay, that's good. And then, yes. And yeah, that is great. So we have given him this. Okay, we have done the eyes, right? And we want our froggy to smile. So we have to just cut something to make him smile. Oh, where is my frog's smile gone? Wait, I'll just have to see that. Okay, I had to find my frog's smile. It was lost somewhere, so I finally found it. So I just took a piece of paper and we are going to just stick it on the face of our froggy and we will make him smile. Yay, like this. Very good. Okay, now have a look at this. This is now ready. Our froggy is ready. That's great. Okay, now just have a look at this. Does it look like a cute little froggy? It can even jump, see? And it can even catch the flies. And he's so very happy. You can even hang it in your room and he will see you smiling, watching you smiling and catching the flies and maybe running away. So this is right. This is also jump like this. Okay, so I hope you have liked this froggy. So because we are doing This week we'll be doing amphibians. So I have introduced you to this little froggy amphibian, and we will discuss about this in our next classes. Okay. So I hope you see the froggy. This will become your friend when this will be in your room. See, he's so happy, waving his hands to you. Maybe he wants to come to your room. So you will enjoy making this little froggy. So I hope you make it and then show it to all of us, right? So see, our jumping froggy is very happy today. He's enjoying the season and the weather and Ramadan. I think, are you fasting? Are you fasting? Oh, yes, he said I'm fasting. Okay. So this was an arts class today, and I hope you have enjoyed it. I have enjoyed it a lot. And so Froggy is saying bye-bye to you from this class. He'll see you in another class maybe. Till then, he's saying, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. Okay. Bye-bye. And I'll see you soon. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz, friends. Bye-bye.